Close to 400 learners from 4 schools located in remote villages of Camarines Norte's 1st District were the pre-selected beneficiaries of District Engineers League of the Philippines or DELPV's flagship project through the Dpwh Camarines Norte District Engineering Office. Gamit pang eskwela handog Isaya Year 6 on August 30 to 31. A highlight of the two-day activity was the distribution of school supplies, pertinent hygiene kits, sacks of rice, disinfection of classrooms, and bountiful snacks to the learners and students of the indigenous people endemic to the province, or more popularly known as the Manide tribe, considered as the oldest tribe in Bicol. Of these schools, the IP-dedicated school of Katutubo Elementary School in the mountainous area of Paracale, Malaya Integrated School in the far-flung portion of Labo Town, and the Tasmania Elementary School and Gawad Kalinga High School, both in Gold Ridge, Jose Panganiban. District Engineer and DELP Bicol Region President Edwin Bermal, along with DEO's section chiefs, spearheaded the preparation and on-day operation of the activities upon proper coordination with the school officials involved. Para sa totoo, balitang banwaan, Rona Vega, MBTV News.